Okay, so today's product review is going to be Heinz Mayo Ketchup. So my understanding, this is nothing more than mayo and ketchup put together. So we're going to try this, and I'm going to add a little extra at the end and do a quick taste test. The two things we're going to try it on is hamburger patty and smoked sausage, and we're going to give it a good taste test because I already know what ketchup and mustard tastes like. We're going to taste some of this mayo ketchup, see if it really lives up to the name it claims it lives up to. Be back with you. Hey peeps, I'm back. Yeah. Let me adjust this camera a little bit. There we go. So, Heinz Mayo Ketchup. That's the product that's going to be under review. I don't know what happened to my hamburger buns. I know I've had some, but I guess that bottom of the stomach child of mine must have ate them all up. That's interesting. Interesting aroma and interesting taste. Okay, let's see where we're going to go with this. So, I'm going to do another taste test. Put a little bit on my finger. That is very interesting. Let's see what it tastes like on a sausage. And we're going to do a hamburger. That's interesting. It doesn't taste what I expected it to taste like. I was expecting of a more mayo ketchup-y taste, but I'm tasting more mayo than ketchup. Let's try the hamburger. Okay. I don't taste much of anything. I mean, I don't taste much of the mayo or the ketchup in the hamburger itself, which is interesting because I should taste one or the other. Let me put a little bit more extra on here. Maybe I just didn't lube it up enough with it. I don't know what to say. My taste bud tells me there's a mild something, but I can't tell what it is. And it may be the Heinz Mayo Ketchup, but it's so mild and has such a low undertone that you really can't tell what the heck you're eating. But let's see if it's really worth what it is. This container has 19 servings. Serving size is 2 tablespoons, 160 calories. Wow! Total fats 15 grams, which is 20% of your intake. Saturated fats is 2.5 grams, which is 12% of your daily intake. Cholesterol is 5 milligrams, which is 2. Sodium is 170 milligrams, which is 7 of your total intake. Total carbs is 4 grams, which is 1%. No dietary fibers. Total sugars is 3 grams, including 3 grams added, which makes 7% of your daily intake. No protein, no. So basically, health-wise, this is pretty much a useless product. But I'm going to make a video and see if I can make a product similar to this, but much more tastier. This, would I recommend this to anybody? Probably not. I mean, Heinz is good for their ketchup, but this is a hot mess. I wouldn't really recommend this to anyone because there's not enough substance in it. If food that tends to lack nutritional value, but it's tasty, it's different. This lacks both. It's high in calories, and it doesn't do anything such as tingle the taste buds or anything else. Would I recommend you buying this? Absolutely not. This is probably, I would have to give this the lowest rating I've ever given a product, which is probably a 2. This is absolutely useless. It doesn't do anything to enhance the food that you eat. So if you just want to pack on calories, this is something you can use. If you're looking for flavor and taste, which most people, when they eat, they want to taste something that tastes tasty, that adds to the benefits to food they eat, this is not the product. It's not. I'm sorry, Heinz. I mean, I'll buy you ketchup and it's delicious, but this mayo ketchup, you need to take this back to the lab and work on this because this is horrible. It doesn't do anything for any. I mean, I've tried it on a hamburger, and which company I did a free taste. I'm not impressed at all, and I wouldn't be surprised this product gets pulled from the market within the next year or two because I can't see anybody buying this on a regular basis, and which is probably why it was so easy to be able to find this because products that are good are usually harder to find. Products that are lousy, the stocks are full of them. Until next time, family, you take care of yourself, live long, live healthy. I'll talk to you soon. Take care.